Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. The SUI chart is currently in this support area. There is a small reaction to Fibonacci support at the moment, which is located here at around 364 to 374. So this is a standard support zone that we talked about in yesterday's video. And so far a small reaction. And the good news is that in both of these scenarios that are shown on the chart, yellow and orange, a reaction to Fibonacci support is absolutely possible. Not only possible, but very, very likely. So let me explain to you what these two scenarios are. Bigger picture wise, really nothing has changed. And the idea is currently that from this area, a fifth wave to the upside could start. That's the orange count. Quick reminder that in this scenario, the orange one that we've been talking about before, we are checking if the market wants to form further upside more directly. So like, for example, here move towards $5, $6 plus in a very direct fashion. In this scenario, however, the market needed to hold 364 and rally higher, break above that $4.30 level, rally higher in a fifth wave, come down in a larger degree fourth, rally higher in a larger degree fifth. And then we might have a substantial top. But this would be the direct pathway higher. And of course, the market doesn't make it very easy because that support area seems to be holding right now. Some upside momentum seems to be coming in, but precisely where we wanted it, also in the yellow scenario. Because in the yellow count, we are also tracking a bounce, but it could just be a B wave. And the yellow count is for now preferred. Remember that in this scenario, we highlighted that maybe a larger degree 5 wave move has already topped. And that would be wave 1 of an even larger 5 wave move. And we're now tracking a wave 2 pullback, which starts with an ABC structure. But because it's only a 3 wave move down, it keeps the door open for higher prices, especially if we're holding support. So both scenarios are possible, but we only have 2 scenarios really that matter in the short term. In both of these, a bounce in a B wave is likely. And the standard resistance, the first resistance area that the bulls will need to overcome, is defined between $3.97 and $4.21. So this is for, I would say, the next sessions, the resistance area to watch. And as long as the market cannot break decisively above it, the short-term pressure seems downward in an A, B, C structure. And maybe we even need another layer of waves in there, like that this is only going to be the A wave or something. But yeah, for now, this is the idea at the moment that I'm tracking on the SUI chart. Cannot rule out further upside extensions more directly, but for now I'm tracking this as a B wave. We need to see a little bit more structure of this move to the upside to be able to distinguish clearly between the yellow scenario, which is the more bearish one. In the short term, at least, it rather would be an opportunity if that pullback really unfolds, and one more direct upside extension. I also wanted to show you the larger degree pattern so that everybody is on the same page. So in our yellow scenario, as I said, this could be 5 waves up in wave 1, and then the subsequent pullback in wave 2. The subsequent pullback in wave 2 is what I'm tracking as primary count. But as I said, it could go up more directly in the orange count, and you can see that then with one more high, maybe even in the $7 area, a top could form. But for now, yellow is preferred. But I have to say, the higher we go more directly, specifically a break above the last highs at 430, the more probable the direct upside extension scenario in orange will be. That's the update on SUI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.